Welcome to the shop. Hope everyone had a great Christmas and New Year's and all that. All right, let's start 2020 off the right way. Are you ready? Here we go. Welcome back. All right, so it's a new year, new decade. Since I started making knives, I've always wanted to make a Framelock. 2-3 years ago, I bought all the parts to do it, and I just had all the ambitions. I've had titanium and everything. Man, I've just been too scared to do it or been putting it off or whatever the reason. Pass or fail, we're going to do it now. I'm starting out 2020, and here's the design for the blade, and here's the titanium and the handles. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, but let's just get to it. Before we start the Framelock, I'm going to show you a few knives I just put up on my website. We got them all finished and ready. I finished these like New Year's Day or New Year's Eve or something like that. Got them all stropped up. They're all up on my website. Got that one done, this one done. They're all up there. Good to go. This one came out real nice. All pinned up. I don't like wood, but man, that came out real nice. Boom. Love the hamon on this one. They're all up there on my website. Boom. And that's about it. I got 9 up there now. The link's the first one in the description. All right, enough plugging my stuff. Let's get to the Framelock. All right, I don't know if we're going to be able to see the pattern in there, but that's basically what she's going to look like. Hopefully. If it all works out. I already cut these 2 out. This is titanium, which I'm a little bit worried about on the bandsaw, I'll be honest. And then this is just $10.95, so of course we're going to have to do a hamon. I had to make the tab a little bit longer. I realized when it flipped back over, it wasn't really sticking out that much, so I'm gonna make it bigger. We can always shave it back. So let's get these glued up and cut. I gotta say, I'm worried about cutting this titanium. Have I already said that? I keep thinking it. So, I'm gonna cut the $10.95 first so I don't dull out my blade, and this might be a short video. I've got a few more bandsaw blades on the way. We'll see. I forgot. I put the blade that came with this on it. Man, it was having a hard time there for a while. I thought the titanium was work hardening. That's one thing I forgot. Titanium work hardens pretty easy. But now once I put on the new thing, it cut like butter. So let me finish this up and then yeah, we'll see where we're going from there. I couldn't find my super glue. I just clamped them. We're just using 1, 2, 3 block to kind of clean it up, see where we're at. Now, if I remember from Knifemeking's video, titanium is the sparks. You can't put them out. They have to burn out. We'll see. Let's get this done. Woo! I don't know how much of that high speed I'm gonna do, but man, I had to keep stopping because it was just lighting up. I'll tell you what, I'm tempted right now to drill it up because we're all straight. So I'm gonna put another template on there and drill it. Alright, I'll meet you over at the mill. Or you know what? Heck, while we got it here, might as well do this. Now I'm gonna leave this big because I don't know where the stop pin's gonna hit. So I'm gonna leave up in here, this part back here, I'm gonna leave it thick. Time to drill these, 1/4 inch. I'll meet you at the drill. So since the pattern is, look at this setup, 1, 2, 3 block, and the 3/8 bolts in here, bam, to this. I got a clamp on the back here, so, whoo. So yeah, this is 1/4 inch, and now we are centered. We're centered exactly where we want to be. Because on the CAD program I made it 1/4 inch, but I think I'm gonna make it smaller than 1/4 inch. I'm gonna take this one out and put in. Oh, come on! There we go. Woo. Put in this one, then we should be centered. And then what I can do if I want to hollow out a little bit on the inside, I'll just do that again. I'll use this one to center it, and then put the 1/4 inch. Actually, do you go slow with titanium or fast? We'll run it fast, but we'll go slow. We'll just kind of poke at it. Knifemaking says just kind of poke at it, so that's what we'll do. It started out easy. Woo! That's right, this stuff work hard, so we gotta be careful. Did you see that? That thing was smoking red hot. I don't think I have another one of those either. Woo! Look at that. It melted it. Yeah, no more of that. I guess we're going slow from now on. Let's try a new bit. Just go slow with this time. Yeah, I should have slowed it down. And these are the good molybdenum ones. It just melted that. Well, first fail. First fail of the Framelock. What if we made it all the way through? Oh, we did. Good. Maybe I'll go up. That's what I'll do. I don't want to go all the way up to 1/4 inch. I'll just go up one more. It's a little bit bigger, but it's still a lot smaller. It's just a 30-second up, so it shouldn't be that much bigger. Like 0.15, or just probably 0.16. I forgot I had air right here, Dum Dave. Let me do the other one like that, and then that's it. So while I'm here, I'm just going to go ahead and actually countersink this just a little bit for the pivots to go through. That's what I'm just going to do to the other one. 1/4 inch into the 1095. Here we go. Let's go grind down a pivot to see how they work. Because that's what I'm about to do. And I just figured this one out. If you can't get your bit out because it's too, it's too close to this and your deal doesn't go up anymore, and you have a chuck, if you're doing this with a chuck to interchange, open it up real wide and it'll just slip right out. I'm glad I figured that one out. I was sitting there fighting it, and I was like, wait, if I just open it up more, it might work better. I was going to go grind one down, but I bought these standoffs a long time ago. These are a little bit too small for this. Well, maybe not. They actually fit kind of perfect, but I got this piece that I bought too. We'll just have to clamp this here. Oh, we just made it. There we go, it's a flipper. Now we just have to figure out the stop and everything else. That's good, I can take a little bit off of that. Yeehaw! Well, so far it's promising. I'll have to bring this down to here and all that, but that's alright. We can get the stop pin right, we're golden. Well, I put some double tape in here thinking it would hold, because now I got the bolt holding here. I was just going to put it up on a little piece of wood, but no, it was moving, so I started to use the clamp in the 1, 2, 3 block. You gotta do what you gotta do. So let's get all this smoothed out, and that should be it. Next video we can work on the stop pin and all that other stuff. Here we go. Yeah, anytime you're using an adjustable tool rest, just get a square, make sure you're good, boom. Meet you back at the bench. That's about it. Next, like I said, is stop pins and all that and figuring it all out. I got a little spot there, but I got to put that on Instagram. Boom. Just like that. Oh, here. Let's get the clean side that I have to take the picture with. Yeah. Can we get it? Can't wait till we put the detent and stuff in there. Oh, there we go. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. My website is the first link down below. I got shirts on there. I got all the tools I use for my Amazon products on there. Plus the Amazon links are also down in the description. I've got 9 knives up there now. I just put 5 more up there, so yeah, man. Well, I showed them in the beginning. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you're all having a great day. And as always, take it easy.